Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all will be in good health. I am your SST teacher of grade 3. Students, open your SST book, page number 11. In previous class, we were started chapter 3, changes in habitat. Today, our topic is changes due to drought. What do you mean by drought? Actually, drought is when there is no rain for a longer time and the areas dries up. We call it drought when there is no rain for a longer time and the area dries up. Drought is the opposite of flood. It's completely opposite to flood. Here is a picture of flood. It's completely opposite. Some changes in the habitat take place over a longer period of time. One such change is due to drought. When it does not rain in an area for a long time and the area dries up, we called it as a drought. The rivers and lakes dry up. The soil becomes dry and useless. Now, there are major changes occur due to drought. When there is no rain for a longer time, the area become dry up and the river and lakes also dry up. The soil become dry and useless. You cannot grow any crops on it. You can also not grow any crops on a drought area. Since living things depends on water, they either die or move to new habitat. Now, due to changes in drought, the living things also need water to survive. But if there is no water, the living things die or move to a new habitat. Sometimes they cannot find suitable habitat. If they cannot, they die. People also move away from such habitats because they cannot grow anything. They cannot survive without food or water. Now people also die or they can move to a new place. Why? Because there is no food to eat, there is no water to live. Here is also a picture, a cow struggling to find water. Now here is a cow who can struggling to find water, but the area is dry, that's why there is no water. Here is also a picture of dry land. Due to this drought, many living things can die or move to a new habitat. It's enough for today. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.